Welcome to our video on how to measure the success of your marketing campaign. In today's digital age, it's essential to have a strong marketing strategy to stay ahead of the competition. However, it's equally important to measure the effectiveness of your marketing efforts to ensure that you are getting the desired results. In this video, we'll guide you through the key metrics that you should track to evaluate the success of your marketing campaign. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to measure the impact of your marketing efforts and make data-driven decisions to improve your strategy. So, let's get started. Before you start measuring the success of your marketing campaign, you need to define your marketing goals. Your goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound smart. By setting SMART goals, you'll have a clear idea of what you want to achieve and how you'll measure your progress. For example, if your goal is to increase website traffic, you can measure it by tracking the number of visitors, page views, and bounce rate. If your goal is to generate leads, you can measure it by tracking the number of leads generated, conversion rate, and cost per lead. It's essential to align your marketing goals with your overall business objectives. Your marketing goals should support your business goals and help you achieve your desired outcomes. Once you've defined your marketing goals, you can start tracking the relevant metrics to measure your progress towards achieving them. To measure the success of your marketing campaign, you need to track key metrics that are relevant to your marketing goals. Here are some of the essential metrics that you should track. 1. Website traffic. The number of visitors to your website is a crucial metric to track. You can use tools like Google Analytics to track your website traffic and identify the sources of traffic. 2. Conversion rate. The conversion rate measures the percentage of visitors who take the desired action on your website, such as filling out a form or making a purchase. 3. Cost per acquisition (CPA). The CPA measures the cost of acquiring a new customer. It's calculated by dividing the total cost of your marketing campaign by the number of new customers acquired. 4. Return on investment (ROI). The ROI measures the return on your marketing investment. It's calculated by dividing the revenue generated by your marketing campaign by the cost of the campaign. 5. Social media engagement. Social media engagement measures the level of interaction and engagement on your social media channels, such as likes, comments, and shares. By tracking these key metrics, you'll have a clear understanding of the effectiveness of your marketing campaign and make data-driven decisions to improve your strategy. Once you've tracked your key metrics, it's time to analyze your data. Data analysis is crucial to understanding the effectiveness of your marketing campaign and identifying areas for improvement. Here are some tips for analyzing your data. 1. Look for trends. Identify trends in your data to understand how your marketing campaign is performing over time. Look for patterns in your data and identify any spikes or dips in your metrics. 2. Compare your data. Compare your data to industry benchmarks in your previous campaigns to understand how you're performing relative to your competitors and your past performance. 3. Identify areas for improvement. Use your data to identify areas for improvement in your marketing campaign. For example, if your conversion rate is low, you may need to optimize your landing pages or improve your targeting. 4. Make data-driven decisions. Use your data to make informed decisions about your marketing strategy. Don't rely on guesswork or assumptions. Instead, use your data to guide your decisions. By analyzing your data, you'll have a clear understanding of the effectiveness of your marketing campaign and make data-driven decisions to improve your strategy. Measuring the success of your marketing campaign is an ongoing process. It's essential to continuously monitor your metrics and make adjustments to your strategy to improve your results. Here are some tips for continuously improving your marketing strategy. 1. Set new goals. Once you've achieved your initial marketing goals, set new goals to continue growing your business. 2. Test and optimize. Continuously test and optimize your marketing campaigns to improve your results. A/B testing can help you identify the most effective messaging, targeting, and creative. 3. Stay up to date. Stay up to date with the latest marketing trends and technologies to stay ahead of the competition. 4. Use customer feedback. Use customer feedback to improve your marketing strategy. Customer feedback can help you understand your customers' needs and preferences and tailor your marketing efforts accordingly. By continuously improving your marketing strategy, you will be able to achieve better results and stay ahead of the competition.